So hello and welcome. Bhai log, we are back with another live stream. Actually, I restarted the live stream today because there was some glitch. It was showing a concurrent viewer at the same time it had a like on my video, but I don't know who did that. So I I call it a glitch because it was not counting me as a concurrent viewer because when I opened the second video for the second window for my live stream, it did not count me as a concurrent viewer. So it's probably a glitch. Okay, it's probably a glitch. So I restarted my live stream. You do not, you will not notice anything bad about it because I have deleted the previous live stream. And, but let's mind our own business and get to lead coding. Well, before that, I need to go washroom, है ना? So I will be playing lofi in the background, and you people enjoy. अरे, this one is. I will come in 2 minutes. I'll come back in 2 minutes. It's fine. Why do you? Too much background noise. I don't want to use the ad blocker. Hey, by the way, I want to show you something. Uh, See, I want to show you this. But I need to share this live stream. Okay, share this live stream to whom? Share this live stream to the people who really cares. देखो भाई, what did I do is that I started using my phone less. As you can see, एक minute. As you can see, it's always on the power saving mode, 5 days and 14 hours of battery remaining. And how it's doing that, because I have reduced my screen on time by a few, like I have reduced my screen on time to a few fractions. Okay, let me show you something. This is going to be really cool. Yeah, here is my screen on time. It's just 2 minutes for today. Just 2 minutes for today on phone. Okay. Although I'm using Telegram over computer, and I'm sometimes using YouTube over computer too, but it's not more than 30 minutes of total usage. And I would soon find a way to track my usage on computer as well. But for now, I have like become monk in regards of phone. And if you do not believe me, then let me show you the previous day's usage. It has been less than 40 minutes, I guess. So every day I set a goal for 1 hour of usage. That's not just that's not actually my goal for 1 hour of usage. My goal is to use under 1 hour. Okay, my goal is to use my phone under 1 hour, but I don't know why Samsung has represented it this way. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, now you can see it. Okay, my goal is to use my phone under 1 hour, and yesterday I was able to use it less than 1 hour. It's about uh, it's about 47 minutes of usage yesterday, and today I have only 9 minutes of usage. Yeah, today I only have 9 minutes of usage, or actually 3 minutes of usage. Nice. But we have to get deliberate about spending our time. We have to get deliberate about, or sorry, intentional about spending our time on computer. Okay. Sometimes I might spend a lot of time scrolling through YouTube on computer, but I have been controlling myself. Like 30 minutes was max yesterday while I was using YouTube on computer. Okay. And here I spent a lot of time on Telegram, but it was not because I was enjoying doing that. It was because I needed to promote some people over the group, and as well as mute the bot, so it wouldn't count into the entertainment wala thing. Also, I think I need to set up. See, what I do is when I go here, do I get a concurrent viewer? It was definitely a glitch. I don't have a concurrent viewer. कोई बात नहीं. You know what? Let's go with the neat code wala solution. Okay, let's study the neat code wala solution instead. It's a bigger solution in terms of line, but I hope that we will get to understand it. सबसे पहले what he did is that check inclusion. मैं नहीं जा रहा नीट कोड वाला solution के पास, मैं जा रहा हूँ इसकी तरफ, क्या कहते हैं ये वाला solution. This one seems good. ठीक है. Function check inclusion, store all the values in the S1 in the hash map called the target. ठीक है. And this is the target hash map. All the values of the S1 in the target hash map. ठीक है. Store all the values in the S1 in a target hash map. What are you trying to do? For const character of the S1, const character of the S1 target hash map character is equals to target hash character. If it exists, return 0. If it doesn't exist, if it exists, return the key value of that. Like return the value of the return the value of the key, and then see what he's trying to do is that he's trying to store the frequency or the occurrence of each character in the character hash map. Okay. So if a character exists, then return it value and then +1 and then store it as the value of this key. Okay. And if it doesn't exist, return 0 and then store the value as 1. Okay, because it occurred at least once in the character. Okay, so we have the length of L1, we have the length of L2. Why we are doing this I don't know, but okay, just for return return false, just for the sake of constant target hash map, and then created the hash map, and then let frequency frequency of the character, let window start is equals to 0, window end is equals to 0, and window end is less than s2 dot length and window end plus s. ठीक है. He created a for loop. सबसे पहले frequency is used to store the characters in the window. Frequency char is used to store the characters in the window. Frequency char is used to store the characters in the window. Why so? Why would you name it like that? Let window start is equals to 0, window end is equals to 0, window end is less than s2 dot length, window end plus plus. Oh, I understand what he's trying to do. Constant char is equals to s2 dot window end. So increase the window size. What he's going to do is that char is equals to constant char is equals to s2 dot window end. But this is not a map now. Frequency char is not a map here. So what he's doing is basically writing in the frequency char. What are you even trying to do? If it does not exist, how can you turn an array into an associative array? Acha, it's an object. Sorry. It's an object. It's a JavaScript object. So what you would do is you will write for that character, you will write frequency char. Frequency of the char. If it exists, नहीं तो फिर 0 + 1. ठीक है. So this is the window end. Window end wala character. What we did is that we took the window end wala character. S2 में we go to the window end वाला character, यानी कि window end वाला character लिया अपन ने. It would be better understood by making a diagram. ठीक है. Excali draw. And as usual we will be setting a timer for ourselves. Fuck. क्या होता रहता है भाई? फिर उसके बाद permutations. So what he's trying to do is to store the character in the character of from the window end. ठीक है. Is to store the character from window end. Window end is equals to 0 right now. So how our window end is 0? I don't understand that. For him, the window end is basically 0 right now, Hannah. And the window start is 0 as well. So he is basically storing, let's say this is the window of the S2. For him, the window end is at 0. So window end is at 0. So he is going to be storing the character from the window end. So he is going to say that E is 1 over here. Okay. And then in the first iteration he is going to say that E is 1 in the frequency char. Okay. And then constant hash permutation is equals to object dot entries whether hash permutation object dot entries target dot नहीं entries target hash ठीक है. We have target hash की entries object dot entries target hash dot every char frequency char is equals to frequency every char frequency char is equals to frequency. Target of hash dot every, where we're going to take a cache char and frequency. For every char and frequency we are going to check that the frequency is equals to frequency char is equals to a. So this is basically trying to check the we had a target hash map. Okay, we unfolded the target hash map. Basically we unfolded the target hash map and we are checking for every character and frequency. For every character and frequency we are storing every character's frequency inside this frequency variable and every character here. So we are, this is going to be the key value of the hash map and this is going to be the values of the hash map. This is going to be key of the hash map and this is going to be the value of the hash map. Okay, which hash map? We are going to have the target hash wala map here. Okay, and now it says that for every cache, if there is, like, we are going to take the key of the frequency chart, we are going to take the key, check whether if it is in the frequency char or not. We there is our frequency char object. Okay, and then we are going to check if it is equal to the frequency which is stored inside this. Okay, if has permutations. Okay, if has permutations, this is ultimately going to return you true or false. If has permutations, return true. Okay, if has permutations, return true. An anagram permutation, return true. To frequency, first char is the target in present in the window. Second char frequency of the char is first character is the target, is the in the target is present in the window. First character in the target present in the window. If has permutations, return true. If has permutations, return true. If this exists, if this has permutation or array exists, what you will do is you are going to return true. Take care. But what if it could be false for this? Some value of this is could be false for this. We know that the length of our window should always be equal to the length of the S1, because we are looking for an anagram of the S1, so we need to ensure that the window size is always equal to the S1 dot length, and we do this by shrinking the window whenever window is greater than S1 dot length. So if the window end is greater than equal to S1 dot length minus, if the window end is greater than equal to S1 dot length minus 1, constant left car is equals to a, okay, it went over my head, to be honest, it went over my head. We'll keep looking for the better solution. Alright. As we tried our best using the um, editorial, but very well, very well. We will first read the approach because it is important. Okay, even if you don't understand the approach, let's continue with the solution. Like look and copy paste the coding solution. Okay, we will not copy paste the solution exactly. We will try to fit it into our brain and then we are going to recreate it. Okay, simple. तो सबसे पहले create a prime number array of the first 26. क्या? Why would you have a prime number array here? है? That is interesting. I would like to see this. I would like to have a look into this. Okay. Create a prime number array of the first 26 prime numbers and multiply each prime number by the index plus 1. By its index. ठीक है, plus 1. इसने क्या किया कि he created prime numbers 2, 6, 15, 28, 55, 78, 119, 152, 207, 690, 15, 28. Have I forgot prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers now which could be either divided by themselves or 1. यही होता है ना prime numbers. Why 6 is a prime number? Number 3, 7, 13, 17 वही है 19. अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ तो उसने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया ना. Like if 2 is a prime number then it would be multiplied by, sorry, 2 is a co-prime number. We are talking about prime numbers. ठीक है, तो 3, 7, 13. 2 is a prime number but it's a co-prime. The prime 2 is a co-prime. Why don't you count 2 in the prime numbers? 2 भी तो है. Multiply 2 by 1, it is going to be 1. Multiply 2 by 3, it is going to be 6. Multiply 3 by 5 is going to be 15. ठीक है, मैं समझ गया what you are trying to say. ठीक है, तो मैंने कर दिया. It would be 2, 6, 15, 28, 55, 78, 192. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद this way we have a pre-computed array of the prime numbers ready to be used in a rolling hash function. Oh, legendary भाई, क्या क्या शब्द बोल रहा है. rolling hash function. Iterate over s1 and create an initial hash value for the first. We will go with the simple solution. I'm going to mark this solution, but we'll go with the simple solution for now because I do not have much of the processing power left for some reason. ठीक है, अभी के लिए I do not have processing power. बाद के लिए I'll see. I'll just mark this solution somewhere. Like I need. Where should I store this? Obsidian. कहाँ स्टोर करूँ. देखो नोटपैड तो तुम लोग बोलना नहीं, ऑब्सीडियन कर लेता हूँ मैं डाउनलोड। स्पेलिंग गलत लिख रहा हूँ क्या मैं ऑब्सीडियन की? हाँ चाहिए ना अभी मुझे। That's really cool. So the light around the obsidian logo is changing. It's changing. That's the new age for web development, पता है? The light around the logo is changing. ऐसे देखो ऐसे। Vault under the folder obsidian vault from obsidian sync. Okay, I'm going to create an obsidian vault in some folder. ठीक है, obsidian vault मैं किधर create करूँगा? I'll definitely create in 3 storage. Name your obsidian vault. उसके लिए मैं क्या रखूँगा? उसका नाम तो मैं रखूँगा Knowledge Palace. नहीं 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 नहीं। Skynet. It's a funny name but it's okay. ठीक है, ब्राउज कर लो यहाँ से। I will keep it somewhere in the I'll keep it somewhere in the other drive. I need to keep it somewhere in the other drive. हेलो। हाँ। अकाउंट्स वगैरह कहाँ पे है? क्या पूछ रहा है? अकाउंट्स वाला रूम जहाँ पे फैकल्टी लोग बैठते हैं? I just wonder if Obsidian is an Electron app because it's really beautiful. मतलब, this is very responsive. For now, I do not have to do much, but here I will. What is this? New folder and new note. Graph. Create a new canvas. Open. Insert a template. Anyways, I'm going to open a new folder and write it like the rough notes folder. Inside the rough note folder, I'm going to create a new note. I'm going to change.